welcome the Academic Excellence Awardee with honors and deportment awardee.
Arte! Tapos ako ka pala. Ay. Ashala.
International Phoenix Aeronauts Quest Whiskey winner, bronze medalist David Carl. Division School Press Conference, third place in news writing, and the Regional School Press Conference participant, Carla Riego. Let me also acknowledge the student journalists of the Blue Chronicle, starting with our associate editor, Carla Riego, our feature writers, Raven Vasquez and Amber Goody, our sport writers, Yuri Doblate and Gabriel Rose Bernardo, our editorial writer and cartoonist, Sergio Tuvera and Sofia Guasa, and our newswriter and copy reader, Lance John Ayatana and Carla Riego. We also have our grade 10 students who are part of the student coordinating body, starting with Cyril Tubera, our chairperson and peace and order, Raven Vasquez as